Breast pumping can be a lifesaver for moms, but small mistakes can make it uncomfortable or less effective. Let's look at the most common mistakes moms make while using a breast pump and how to fix them. Point 1. Wrong flange size. Mistake number 1. Using the wrong flange size. If the flange is too small or too big, it can cause pain and reduce milk output. Always measure your nipple size and use the correct flange for comfort and efficiency. Point 2. Skipping warm-up. Mistake number 2. Skipping warm-up. Going straight to pumping without massaging or warming the breasts can slow milk flow. A gentle massage or warm compress can make pumping quicker and easier. Point 3. Incorrect settings. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong pump settings. High suction doesn't always mean more milk. It can actually cause pain and damage. Start with a gentle setting and increase gradually, focusing on comfort. Point 4. Inconsistent schedule. Mistake number 4. Not sticking to a pumping schedule. Skipping sessions can lower milk supply. Try to pump at the same times each day to maintain consistency. Point 5. Poor hygiene. And finally, mistake number 5. Neglecting hygiene. Not washing pump parts properly can lead to bacteria buildup. Clean and sterilize parts regularly to keep your milk safe for your baby. Breast pumping should be comfortable and effective. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make the journey smoother for both you and your little one.